to you. May God bless you. Have a nice day.
Hello Piyu. Wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness throughout your life, beta. All the good things, you get all the good things of the world. Be happy. Lots of love and hugs from your mom.
Hello, happy
Hi.
birthday, Beauty. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mao. May God bless you with health, wealth, happiness. Long live the Queen. Chiku, say something to Bua.
Bolo बुआ को बोलो happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bua. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Bua. God bless you. May you have the most amazing birthday, even though it's quarantine. Safe रहना, बाहर नहीं जाना, promise करो. No alcohol. वैसे नहीं, पी लो, जितना पीना है पी लो. It's fun. पी लो. Bye. Have an amazing day.
Soups, wish you very happy birthday, dear. God bless you. Stay safe, stay home, and have a wonderful, wonderful time. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a great day and the year ahead. Enjoy. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Piyu, how are you? Happy birthday to the most pretty and smart girl of Dungats. May God bless you. You are just not becoming old with any years passing by. Just you are 25 years old girl of us. May you have a happy and healthy life ahead. Bye bye. Take care.
Hey, hi Shorty. Happy birthday. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with what you really deserve and much, much more. May God bless your beautiful 3 kids, your loving husband and your family. May you have a life filled with joy and happiness forever. Love from me, Pradeep uncle and my auntie.
Hi Beauty. Very, very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a magical birthday filled with unicorns and rainbows. Have a lovely life ahead. Lots of love to you and to your 3 little munchkins and your family. Enjoy your day.
Hi Supriya, here is a message for you for your birthday. Actually, there are a few things that you can say nicer, or rather more nicely, across a video message perhaps, because a dialogue doesn't allow a few things that can be said, which a monologue does. So I guess I have the privilege of this monologue to today talk about you on your birthday. So let me first wish you a very, very happy birthday. Having a daughter-in-law is, many people say, is more like having a daughter, a new daughter in your house. No, it's not. A daughter-in-law is more special and she's more permanent to start with. Secondly, the moment she comes, it becomes her house and she's not somebody who's going to go away from that house. To that extent, I think I have a very special daughter-in-law who has taken over the reins of this house in real sense. A girl with amazing sense of humor. A girl who has a sense of literature, is pretty well read, writes poetry too once in a while, but lately her that art is diminishing. An excellent cook, and that's something I must really acknowledge because whatever she bakes and cooks and makes is something that, I for one really cherish. Okay, she's a bit of a hard taskmaster and a disciplinarian as far as the girls are concerned. Very often I kind of feel pity about the little ones having to suffer their mother, but then I guess it'll stand them in good stead in the long run. She's also very loving towards them, but then is a little strict, yes. Nevertheless, that's a lot of things said, so I guess happy birthday and wish you have many, many, many more.
Happy birthday, Supriya. May God bless you with best of health, wealth and happiness. Have a wonderful day. Love you.
सुप्रिया, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या अनेक शुभेच्छा आणखी आशीर्वाद हा बरं.
Hi Supriya, wish you a very very happy birthday. Sudinam Sudinam Tava Janmadinam Tava Bhavatu Mangalam Janmadinam Vijayi Bhava Sarvatra Sada Tava Bhavatu Mangalam Janmadinam जीवेत् शरदः शतं शतं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनं तव भवतु मङ्गलं जन्मदिनम्.
Hi Supriya, wish you a very happy birthday from all of us, Robin, Sachin, Sana and me. Bye.
Hello Supriya Mummy, hope you have a nice birthday, and this is coming from you from the new grade 6 batch girl.
Hi Supriya, wish you a very happy birthday all the way from London, from all of us here. I hope you have a great day with family at home, friends virtually connected with you the whole time, and I hope Nilesh and the girls and the pets spoil you absolutely rotten and you have a special day, a rocking year and a wonderful life ahead. Signing off from London.
Hi Supriya.
Hi Supriya.
Hi Supriya. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a really good day.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Supriya. Happy birthday.
Look, the special dish is ready for you, and now I'm running to get myself dressed nicely to just shower you the best wishes on your birthday. Right? Bye bye. तर तुझ्याबद्दल असं सांगते सुप्रिया की तुझं व्यक्तिमत्व हे विविध रंगी पैलूंनी नटलेलं आहे. खूप वेगवेगळे स्किल्स आहेत तुझे. ओके, तुला समजेल असं सांगते हां. यू आर अ नॉरेटर, यू आर गुड हॉस्पिटॅलिटी स्किल्स, यू आर अ डिसिप्लिन्ड मदर, यू आर अन epicure. समजलं? and you are so good, and above all you are very good at heart. You are a caring nature and everything is very good, and a loving child of mine. Happy birthday my dear. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Soups. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Supriya.
And Maximus says happy birthday to Maximus. Say happy birthday. Hey, there he is. Okay.
Ayan has a special song for you which he's learnt with his friends in the school.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo and you look like a monkey who and you smell like one too.
Happy birthday, Supriya Mami.
Happy birthday, Supriya Mami.
Hi Supriya, happy birthday. So the monkey in this zoo cannot stop himself, but you have a nice day and hope you enjoy the surprise Nilesh and the kids have put together for you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Supriya. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Come on, happy birthday, Supriya. Huh? Supriya, mommy. Okay? Anjali, flying kiss it. Kush, flying kiss. Bye bye.
Dear Supriya, just wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love.
Hi Supriya, wish you a great birthday and a year ahead, and hope you remain as young as ever, and in the next year you become younger, and hope we meet soon. Stay safe and have fun. Bye, and again wish you a great birthday. Bye. Hi Supriya, many happy returns of the day. Great to have a friend like you, and wish you a great year ahead. And may you continue growing younger like this. All the best, guys. Bye. Take care.
Happy birthday, Supriya.
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Supriya.
Hope you have a good day. Happy birthday to Supriya. Come on, can you say that as well? Happy birthday. No. Happy birthday to Supriya. Come on.
Happy birthday, Supriya auntie. This is for you.
Hi Supriyati, wish you a very happy birthday. Well, another great milestone every year. This one's going to be different, I guess, with the lockdown, but nonetheless, wishing you a very happy birthday again. And yeah, it's been wonderful years knowing you for so many years, right from school times, and so many good times we've spent in Dehradun, then in Delhi, and all those years. So it's been wonderful. Just that we haven't caught up so often in the recent times, but nonetheless, I think it was great catching up with you last time when you came to Dehradun, and just remembering all the good times. So here's wishing you again, and hope that we can meet more often, be in touch. You can travel a little more to Dehradun, and definitely catch up more than we have been in the last few years. So wishing you a very happy birthday again. Have a good one this time. Bye.
Happy birthday, Supriya. Wishing you a great life ahead. Have a blast on your birthday. It's lovely to wish you like this. I'm so thankful to Jayantika that she called me, and I'm a part of all this. And you've been a great friend. I miss all the old school days, growing up together. It's lovely to have you as a friend. We'll always cherish. Just love you. Enjoy.
Hi Supriya, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and a great year ahead. I know there's not much you can do during these days, but nevertheless have lots of fun with your family, and I hope we get to meet really soon. Sending away lots and lots of love.
Happy birthday, Soups. Hope you have a great day and a fabulous year, and bake and cook and eat lots and lots of good things.
Happy birthday, Super Mom! Dude, you already know how much of an inspiration you've been to me. And I don't know if I've told this to you enough, but I really admire you. Like, I still stalk you on Facebook, and just getting to know you and your story and everything, like your babies, dude. Thank you so much for all of it. And yeah, I remember Jinky's project being one of my first, where I got introduced to Supriya, and much. She was so positive and so warm, so welcoming. I think everything about you is really so special and so valued by me. Thank you so much, and just have like a great day. And you babies, good job. I'm sure Mama is super proud of y'all, and y'all are making me so proud. I know once you just won the talent show in her school, so thank you for adding so much happiness in my life.
Hi, Miss Supriya. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday. I wish I was there. Nonetheless, I will hope to see you soon. Have a great birthday. Stay blessed and save a piece of cake for me.
Okay, I'm going to read this because I am terrible at acting, reading, everything. So wishing you, Supriya, a very happy birthday. Let's hope that from now on, we spend as many happy times as we can with each other. You've been my friend through some happy, some difficult times. You've always been that one solid friend I can talk to about anything and everything without ever worrying about being betrayed or judged. Wait, hang on. You always cheer me up with your presence and lend me your ears and make me feel good about myself. I love and admire your calm attitude in most situations, and I really must compliment you that you are one of the best mums I know. There is an adage which says, mistress of all trades and Jill of none. You've turned that adage on its head. Bravo, my friend. Stay blessed always, and I love you very, very much.
Hi Supriya, happy birthday, happy 24th birthday. Well, I'm a lefty, so we are that way only. So listen, Soups, have the best of days, best of weeks, best of years. And one of the hallmarks, I think, of a lifelong friendship, is that I can't remember when or where we met. But I think you probably have photographic evidence. So, best wishes for the coming year.
Happy birthday, Supriya Auntie. Have a great day.
Hey Soups, hope you have a really fabulous day. Wishing you all the best for the day and the year to come. Take care.
Hey Soups, happy birthday. Waiting for us to have our margaritas together to celebrate. But till then, enjoy your day and we'll catch up soon. Bye.
Hi Soups, happy birthday to you. Looking forward to meeting you again real soon at the farm, and maybe some butterflies and some wiggly dancing, loads of margaritas, and of course Nilesh's new treats that he has discovered. So enjoy with the family for now, and hopefully we can meet up as soon as the lockdown is done. Looking forward. Loads of hugs and kisses to you. Lots of love. Happy birthday.
पहचान कौन? Hey Soups, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a super duper one. Enjoy yourself, and of course let's hope we meet soon. Baba food udhar raha, my treat for you, and have a super one. Enjoy your day. Lots of love, tight hugs.
Happy birthday, Supriya. I'm sure it's going to be an unforgettable one etched in history, and we'll party harder next year. Happy birthday.
Hi, Supriya. I still remember the first time that we met. You made me feel so comfortable that thereafter, whether it was in school or elsewhere, I never hesitated to chat with you. You're extremely friendly, forthcoming, and a very warm person. And I really like that about you. Please be that way always. I have Sahil here.
Hello Supriya auntie. I hope you have an amazing day. Happy birthday.
Yes, Supriya, happy birthday to you. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Supriya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Supriya auntie.
Happy birthday, Supriya.
Hope you have a lovely day.
And you have a great year ahead.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Supriya. Have an amazing year and a fantastic year ahead. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Supriya. Have a great, super year. And we have to catch up and do the coffee that we've been talking about. Bye.
Hi auntie, happy birthday. I hope you had a great day and I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon.
Hi Supriya, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a lovely day ahead and a great year as well. And I hope to see you really soon again. Take care, bye.
Hi Supriya, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Loads of love and God bless. Auntie, Amma, Auntie.
Hello, happy birthday and wish you a very healthy and prosperous year ahead. Thank you for being such an amazing fact parent and being so supportive, not only with respect to your daughter, but the complete grade as such. Have a great day.
Hi Supriya auntie, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday and a great day and a great year ahead.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, madam.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
God bless you. Live a long life. Thank you.
Supriya ma'am.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Supriya ma'am.
सुप्रिया मैम, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं हमारे पूरे टीम की तरफ से। आप हजारों साल जियो और हम ऐसे ही आपका बर्थडे मनाते रहे, ऐसी अपेक्षा करते हैं। थैंक यू।
हेलो मैम, कैसे हैं आप? विश यू many happy returns of the day from me and my team.
Hi Supriya madam, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi Soups, happy birthday. I want to start off by saying that this is not a message for Jinxie's mom, it's for my friend, because I just want to say thank you because you've never made me feel out of place or like, I'm talking to an adult, so I have to watch what I'm saying. You've made me feel comfortable since day one, you've always looked out for me, you've checked up on me, and that actually means so much. I want to thank you so much for kind of being like a mom to me. Also, after COVID's over, you have to come to my place because mom promised you Parsi food. But now I'm saying this, you have to come over to my place, you, Jinxie, everyone, and have a full-on vegan meal. I'm sorry, I'm making this happen. You have to have a vegan meal for me, and I don't care. Your jokes are funny, but I'm gonna play one on you too. But all honesty, I love you so much, and I just really wish that we all could celebrate together. But I know that Jinxie and your family have some nice things planned, so I hope you enjoy your day, and thank you for always being there for me and looking out for me and just being a really good friend to me. I love you so, so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Supriya auntie. Have a really good one. There's also someone else here to wish you. I'll let him do it himself.
Happy birthday, Supriya auntie. I hope you have an amazing day today with everyone at home, Jinxie, Vanshu, Aishu, Nilesh uncle, the dogs and puppies running around. And I just wanted to say that you have raised 3 amazing, beautiful and talented daughters just like you. And please don't ever stop your Facebook posts because they give me so much of joy whenever I open the app and I'm browsing through the app. But I hope I see you soon after lockdown. And yeah, love you.
Hello auntie, a very happy birthday to you and thank you so much for having us so many times at your place, and all those games at the farm were truly memorable. And those poker nights are something I'll never forget, and thank you so much for helping us out at so many places, even with school and everything, and may you have a really good day. Thank you.
Hello auntie, happy birthday. Thanks for always supporting me and thanks for supporting me with my boarding captain stuff at school. It means a lot. Have a great year ahead.
Hello auntie, happy birthday. Thank you for always supporting me and hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday auntie, have an amazing day ahead and enjoy your 5...
Smile!
Happy birthday auntie, have an amazing day ahead and have an amazing year and enjoy 5 new kids that you've got.
Okay.
Happy birthday auntie. No, this one. Happy birthday auntie. Happy birthday auntie. Happy birthday auntie. Have an amazing... Happy birthday. Happy birthday auntie. She's gonna be 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday auntie. Have an amazing day ahead.
What?
And happy birthday auntie. Have an amazing day. Hi auntie, happy birthday. Have an amazing year ahead. And I look forward to taking that drive in the G-Wagon that you owe me. And enjoy the 5 new additions at home. Have an amazing year ahead. Bye.
Happy birthday auntie, have a great year ahead and I wish for more to come and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday auntie and happy birthday Supriya auntie. I hope you have the best birthday possible under lockdown and I'll see you soon when I come to Pune. And yeah, Kishu happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day. I'm so sorry that all of us cannot be there with you to celebrate today, but I hope that as soon as all of this is over, you're able to meet with your friends and your family and to celebrate this day. I hope that I'm part of your celebrations for many years to come.
Happy birthday auntie, I hope you have an amazing day because you deserve it, and thank you for being super chill with us all the time and doing so much for our batch. And I know that it sucks that we're in lockdown auntie, but I know your day will be much better because you're gonna see me.